You might be thinking, hashtags don't work for me. I must be using the wrong ones. Friends, I want you to understand that hashtags are for discoverability, not engagement. So think of it like this. Somebody can discover your account and they don't necessarily have to engage with it. So think of it this way. If you and I were sitting on a crowded bus and someone walked in wearing a neon sign around his neck, we would easily discover him, right? The neon sign helped catch our attention. Think of hashtags as your own Instagram neon sign. They'll get you noticed on a crowded Instagram bus. But here's where we need to understand that just because we discovered a post, it doesn't mean that we're gonna engage with it. Like getting somebody to like, comment, or share your post without knowing you, well, that takes a lot of work. So think of it this way. Let's say the person sitting on the crowded bus wearing a neon sign, remember the hashtag, that stated hashtag NFL football. You and I might both be interested in the sign, but if we start talking to him the same way that we would read his Instagram post, he might say things that I'm not interested in or I don't like. But you might love his insights and you might want to talk back to him. So using this example, just because we both saw the neon sign, it doesn't mean that we would both talk back to him, AKA engage. The secret to awesome hashtags is that there isn't a secret. The key is to first get discovered, then create a post that's interesting, exciting, educational, humorous, or helpful. That's what's gonna help get the engagement that you want. So friends, I can't wait to use hashtags to get discovered, and I'd love to help make it easier for you. I'd love to send you my free guide, the top 20 hashtags for the top 20 industries. You can get this powerful guide by joining a live class I'm teaching called How to Plan, Create a Month of Content in One Day. Imagine having all of your social media posts complete for an entire month without losing your sanity and having an awesome set of hashtags to help get discovered. This free class is coming up soon, so be sure to save your seat at jasminestar.com/plan. Okay, will I see you there? I'd love to know if I'm gonna see you there in the comments below so you can score your Instagram hashtag guide. See you there.